Alas 12:08 kaninang tanghali oras sa Pilipinas, lumapag sa Istanbul ang Turkish Airline na sinakyan ng Philippine contingent na tutulong sa search and rescue sa mga nabiktima ng 7.8 magnitude na lindol.
As one of the foremost professions, the Philippine Army has set the noblest way in serving the people. I have been deployed in many disaster response operations, landslide and flooding caused by typhoons, and collapsed structures caused by earthquakes. I am Captain Medel Joseph D. Pelin from Zamboanga City, a member of 525th Engineer Combat Battalion, 51st Engineer Brigade, and at the same time, the Disaster Response Unit of the Philippine Army. Bata pa lang ako, sundalo na ang pangarap ko. Na-inspire ako ng father ko na isa ding enlisted personnel ng Armed Forces of the Philippines. That's why I studied hard and be able to join the Philippine Army. My last deployment in Turkey to help victims of 7.8 magnitude earthquake that hit Turkey. Every time may makasalubong kami na locals from Turkey, they will stop us, greet us, and will tell us, "Thank you for your service, sir." This happened many times, and it is very heartwarming to hear it. As a training officer, yung ladderized training system ay malaking tulong. Every HADR training made a big impact to our unit. It helped us to achieve our mission, which is to become a professional combat engineer and disaster response unit of the Philippine Army.
I am Second Lieutenant Lazar Louie Edma, 27 years old, from Uzami City, Misamis Occidental. I graduated with a degree of architecture from LaSalle University at nag-proceed ako ng Philippine Army as an officer at na-assign dito sa 525th Engineer Combat Battalion, also known as the Philippine Army Disaster Response Unit. Bilang isang Army officer, it takes a lot of discipline, sacrifice, dedication, hard work to pursue this Army profession. For me, it is a great privilege for this Turkey deployment. Hindi ko ina-expect na makasama ako sa Disaster Response Unit ng Philippine Army. Yung experience namin sa Turkey at bilang isang architect, through Philippine Army, mas nakatulong ako international and locals at hindi lang ako bilang isang architect, mas nagamit ko ang pagiging architect ko na makita yung iba't ibang structures na nasira sa 7.8 magnitude earthquake.
When we were deployed sa Turkey, we were miles away from our family. We are very fortunate na nakakontak pa rin namin ang mga mahal namin sa buhay, gawa ng mga SIM card na binigay sa aming mga team leader. Kaya di naging hadlang ang layo ng deployment namin para makamusta at makausap ang mga mahal namin sa buhay. For the aspiring officers, remember, the only constant thing in this world is change. Being innovative is a must. Dapat magaling tayong mag-imagine. Imagine on how we will make our organization become better until it will become the best. Make innovations. Innovations that will make an impact and make difference to the organization. Now, at the age of 32, I am the operations officers of the 525th Engineer Combat Battalion. Through the Philippine Army, I am able to make a difference.